Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable the previous classic widget settings screen in appearance. So just guys, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard, then walk cursor to plugins, then click on new. So once you see, search this plugin classic widget. You have to search this plugin in WordPress dashboard. You will see here, click on install now, then activate. Now walk cursor to appearance. Now here you will see widgets option. Click on it. So this is the way guys you can enable classic widgets in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.